all my friends. Today I start with the next session. Already two sessions over. In the last two sessions we are discussing about the physical properties of metals and non-metals. Also in second class we are discussing about the chemical properties of metals. In one of them what means metals reacts with the airs. Okay, metals reacts with the airs means what? Oxygen. Okay, metals reacts with oxygen to form the metal oxide. Okay, some students only ask to by the call. Okay, if you have any doubts, please comment. I will reply. Okay, if you call, okay, no problem. I will solve in the comments only. Some of them ask the basic questions. What is acids and bases? Means I will give a trick to find which is acid and which is the base. Which have the H plus ions, that is the acids, and which are the in the solutions of the OH ions, that are the bases. Okay. Today last sessions we discussing about the metals reacts with the oxygen to form the metal oxides. Then today come to the order of the reactivity of metal with oxygen, means reactivity series. Metals reacts with the oxygen. Okay, all metals reacts with oxygen. This is the reactivity series. Okay, these are first potassium, sodium and calcium. This is the series up to the platinum is there. This one is the oxygen, means in reactive series means what? Oxygen, it is a non-metal. Oxygen means it will be like a thief. Okay, thief means it will be want to the electrons. Okay, metals also give their electrons. These non-metals also they want to electrons, means they want to accept the electrons. Okay, oxygen it wants the electrons. This is the metals. These are rich. They want to give the electrons, means which are already most of electrons they will giving. This first three are the make the stronger bonds between what? Oxygen and metals, means these are rich, means highly reactivity. These are highly reactivity, means which are rich in electrons they want to give, means highly reactive in nature. Up to come to this hydrogen, these are moderately reactive. These are gives electrons more electrons, means ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು sufficient ಕೊಡ್ತವೆ. These are ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. These are more electrons will give, means you ಯಾವ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ electrons ಕೊಡ್ತಾವೆ, these are the highly reactivity in series. These are ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ moderately reactive. The here hydrogen, below the hydrogen these are least reactive elements, means hydrogen it is a it want stable one electrons. ಯಾವುದೇ ಆದಂತ metals ಬಂತು it can stronger, it will be gaining electrons, it will be 1s2. This below these are copper, silver, gold and platinum. Those are the least reactive in nature. Okay, this series, okay, this is I discussing for the oxygen. I will come to the next point also. This series, reactivity series, this is same for all. Okay, this series where will be helping mainly in metallurgy. Okay, discussing next in this chapter coming metallurgy. I will discussing later. With water. Okay, reaction of metal with water. Here in this water, metal reacts with water. It will get the metal oxide plus hydrogen gas. Okay. Then after metal oxide, it will solve in water. It reacts with again water. Metal oxide, it reacts with soluble in water to form the metal hydroxide. Okay. Then normally it means this is also water, this is also water. I give the general equation, means metal plus it reacts with water to form metal hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. This is a general equation you want to remember. The formation of the metal hydroxide, these two steps will be taking place. Okay. In this, metal reacts with water to form metal hydroxide and H2 gas. Okay. This is a general, you want to remember this. Okay. Take a note down. Okay. First, I will take the examples of potassium and sodium. Okay. Sodium and potassium normally react with the cold water, not normal water, cold water, and it will be making the exothermic reactions. Okay. Sodium in solid state, it reacts with water to form the potassium hydroxide, then you get the H2 gas. This is not balanced. 2K 2H2O along with you will get the heat energy. If you after the reaction you get the heat energy, that reaction is called the exothermic reaction. When reaction taking place, it get the heat energy by the product also. So that is the exothermic reactions. Okay. Then second one is the potassium, not potassium, it is sodium. Sodium react with water. Okay, it will be sodium hydroxide plus H2 gas, then you will get the heat energy. Means this is also the, you get the heat energy, this is also the exothermic reaction. Yet it will balance NaHO to H2O 2, okay, to NaOH, H2 gas, then heat energy. These are reacts with cold water. Next metal, I take the calcium. Calcium react with water. It gets the calcium hydroxide plus H2 gas. Yes, calcium is solid in state, This is liquid. Then this is the aqueous solution. This is the which are in bracket and shows it as the states of matter. This is solid, liquid, aqueous solution and gaseous solution. But in the calcium reaction, it is not getting the heat energy. Okay, this is not sufficient to produce the heat. So that's why it will not get the heat energy. Okay, some hydrogen gases evaporated. That reason some undissolved calcium materials will be floats on the surface of these. Okay. Okay. This is also reacts with the cold water. Next will be next metal, magnesium. Magnesium only react with the hot water. Okay, these which are below discussing these are reacts with the cold water. Magnesium reacts with the hot water. Okay, that reactions I will write. Magnesium reacts with water. Then it will get the magnesium hydroxide plus H2. Okay, it is balanced. OH twice 2H, 2H2O. Okay, this react with the hot water. It reacts with the hot water. Okay, some metals. Okay, some metals reacts with cold water, some metals with hot water. Okay, some of them metals are there. Those are reacts with the steam, like aluminum, ferrous, and zinc. These are reacts with the steam water. Okay, not steam water. It is steam. Steam means it is states of third state. Solid, liquid, gas. Gaseous state. Steam reacts with the steam. Okay, those are aluminum. Okay, I'll drop this. Wait. Aluminum and iron and zinc. These are reacts with the steam. Okay, aluminum plus H2O in the steam state, not steam. Steam means it is in gaseous state. It is a solid. Okay. You will get the Al2O3 as a solid. Then you will get the gas. Okay. This is solid and this is gaseous state. It is balanced. Al2 to Al2, 3H2O. Okay. Al2O3. H2. Okay, it is balanced. Okay. Then iron react. Iron, it is in a solid state. It reacts with water in the gaseous state, means steam. Okay. Fe3. What? Fe3 O4. Yes. Then you will get the okay. These metals are react with steam. Okay. In three states I will tell. First will react with cold water. Some other metal like magnesium it reacts with hot water. These are reacts with steam. Okay. Some you have the experiment is there. This is a apparatus arrangement here given iron with steam. Here is a test tube and test tube is in this wool in soaked with the water. See the wood ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ. Okay, here is the iron. Iron is there ಕಬ್ಬಿನ ಚೂರು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ನರ್ಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ burn. It generates this steam. This steam ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ it will passes to this iron. This steam will react with iron to produce the hydrogen gas. H2 gas. This H2 gases passes from this test tube to through the delivery tube enter into this beaker water content. These bubbles are there. What are those? Are this? These are the H2 gas. This is a very important part of your examination. When iron reacts with the steam to produce the Fe3O4, then it will get the hydrogen gas. Okay. These animated videos I explained in next now only. Okay. Take a hard glass wool soaked in the water. Now put a iron wire and heat the test tube. Iron reacts with the steam. A gas evolves bring a burning matchstick. Near the gas, it burns with a pop sound. We conclude that hot iron reacts with the steam to produce a hydrogen gas. Okay. After observing the animated video, you will get the iron reacts with steam. Then you will get the hydrogen gas. If you understand the concept, like and share and subscribe our channel.